Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim basic tutorial how to rotate part. So as example, I will create part. You can create a rectangle sketch and I will click start from the origin point into here. You also can click end sketch editing. The next, to convert into 3D, we can use the pull tools. You can click on the face, hold, and then you can move to the top to extrude the selected sketch. And after it, if you want to rotate this part, you can use the move tools. Click this icon, move. You can select the objects. I will click in this solid objects. It will be show for the icons for rotation. You can click at this point. You can rotate in blue axis, red axis, or in green axis. Example, I will use green axis. You can click, hold, and then you can rotate. Now you can type like 45 degree, and you can press enter to apply. We waiting to rotate. Okay, it will be automatically rotate. I will rotate again in this blue axis. You can click, hold, and then you can move. Type again 45 degree, and you can press enter to apply. So that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to rotate part. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.